This is a video presentation of stainless steel TIG welding by Michael Fowler for Dr. Sealer's English 402 class at Fruitland Baptist Bible College. TIG welding is an art, and it requires the hands of a sniper, the precision of a surgeon, and the eye of an artist. The material being welded today is high-pressure boiler tubing, and anyone that has TIG welded stainless steel before knows that sweet smell that stainless gives off when welding it together. The first pass when welding tubing is welding the root. Usually if you can get the root in very well, the rest of it is a cakewalk. As you can see in the video, there's many things going on with TIG welding. You have to keep up with your puddle of metal, your wire with your left hand, and running a TIG rig with your right hand. And on the second pass, you have to watch the puddle and make sure everything is burning in and tying in together. As we are moving up the side here, I did change out welding lenses to a beautiful blue shade. When you start on the next pass, you do get to sit down for a bit of relaxation that ends quickly. You flip your hood down after you memorize where everything is, and when you fire up, you use the arc like a flashlight to see what's going on. Early on, your muscles ache and quiver at holding your hands above your head, but now it doesn't faze you anymore. As we're moving up the side right here, some neat characteristics about the puddle are that it's a mirror finish to where you can actually see different things reflecting in the puddle, like the tungsten in the wire. But also when welding stainless, there's a little white line that looks like a little white snake, and as long as it's moving fairly well, you're breaking down the metal good. The reason he's sitting on the end of the weld is to purge the weld while it's still hot so it doesn't oxidize and turn black. Now we're starting on the third pass of the weld, known as capping. And with capping, it really brings out the artist in the welder, because this is the part that everyone sees when they walk by. This is a majority of the reputation of a welder, is the way their welds look. Different things that can affect the way your cap looks is the angle of your rig, how fast you're adding wire, your arc length, and things such as that. If you add too much wire, your cap will be too tall and won't look good. If you add too little wire, the cap will be very low and actually be called for being underfilled. And the welder is really occupied right now with watching his wire, his tungsten, using the bevels as his guideline, keeping his pattern, and making it all look consistent. The end result is a beautiful stainless steel weld that is consistent height all the way around. The ripples are all nice and uniform, straight edges, beautiful coloring from the heat, and just a very well presented weld.